guys, welcome back to the showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a new 2022 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. I already showed you the package, so let's get into it. Alright, here we are. Let's start it off with the top car here. This is the Deora II, the newest variation of it. We have it in a metal flake purple color, I believe, or like a deep blue. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's got 10-spoke wheels. And it's like a deep blue or a purplish color, but it's got 10-spoke wheels. Very nice in this Hot Wheels 5-pack, the Legends 5-pack, and it's got a Hot Wheels symbol right there. It's kind of like a wave that goes, and it's a very cool ride. 10-spoke wheels. I've never seen 10-spoke wheels on the Deora II, but it has kind of like that interesting round look to it. As you can see, you can take a look at that there. Very nice. And I like it. It's like a dome kind of. It's got like round shapes, like very round shapes. Here's the other side of it. Metal flake coloring. And you can see those surfboards are actually like really cast on there. And on the earlier variations, you can see they're actually removable. This is a 2000 mainline variation. And then this is the 2021 Treasure Hunt variation. As you can see, they retooled it. And just for show, I'm going to show you the Deora 3, one of the Deora 3s I have. But this is the Deora 2 from the 2022 5-pack. Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. Great spinning wheels. They spin very smooth. Here's the back of it. Very nice. Give you a nice close-up of the back there. You see those, like, exhaust. I think they're exhaust pipes. I'm not quite sure. It's like a chrome engine. I think the engine's right there. And double lights. Very cool. Very cool. This is a very awesome casting. I've always loved the Deoras. They've been out since the 1960s, I believe, or in the 70s, and then they came out with the Deora 2 around 2000, I think. Very nice, very nice. I am really liking this Deora from the 2022 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. This one is called the Loop Coupe, and as you can see right away, this sticks out. The 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels, the logo of the 50th anniversary, which was actually 2018, but this is a 2022 car that came out in this 5-pack. I don't know why this is a Hot Wheels Legends car. I'm not quite sure. I don't know the history behind this one. Made in Indonesia. I think maybe it was a Legends Tour champion or something at one point, but it's got a beautiful metal flake color to it. It's a green color. You can see the nice designing there. It's a nice cast. And it's got J5-spoke wheels with a green lip on that, and orange and yellow tampos with a number 50 there, 50th anniversary, HW graphics. Maybe it was the 2018 Legends Tour champion car. Not quite sure though. Here's the front, plastic grille. Nice, there's the hood. You can nice look at the hood. It's got a metal flake green color. It's like a light green, like a apple green. And you can see the other side there, same deal. Very nice Loop Coupe. That's what it's called, the Loop Coupe. And right away when I say that name, I can just picture putting it through a Hot Wheels track with a loop on it. And that race bar is part of the interior, the gray part right there in the middle. It's got a chrome base. All these cars are made in Indonesia. It's a 5-pack, so they're made in Indonesia. Very nice. It's a sleek ride. Definitely looks pretty fast. Aha, the 2Jet Z 2020 Hot Wheels Legends Tour champion, or maybe it's the 2019. But as you know, metal on metal. It's actually not quite heavy. It's a small casting, so I don't think it is, going to be that heavy even if it's metal on metal. But again, 10-spoke wheels. This is a 2019 or 2020 Hot Wheels Legends Tour champion, which debuted in 2020, and it's a metal on metal casting. I do have a couple other colors of it, like the 2021 red one and the 2021 black one, and these are very cool. Got 3 of them right here, and I can line up my Deoras. Got a couple new Deoras as well. And I guess I can put that Deora III there. But this is the one we're looking at, the 2022 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. It's a matte metal flake gray color with tinted windows and golden wheels. They're golden 10 spokes. There's 2 Jet Z right there. And I'm not sure what that says. I'll have to give it a nice zoom in. Jet something intake. Jet engine intake? No. Not sure. Got insanely small details. And it says danger, co-pilot, pilot. It's like a missile, rocket, or plane, or whatever. I don't know. But that's what it's actually based off of. Here's the front there. Very cool. Yeah, it does kind of look like a jet if you look at it. It's in the name, 2 Jet Z. As you can see. Very nice. I love how it's metal on metal. And you can see those little wings there, which are plastic from the interior. Nice look. Nice look. I think this is a very cool one. Legends Tour champion. And a metal base on a metal top, which I really like. And they just absolutely butchered that base code there. Look at the base code. They just like destroyed it. Ah, what is this? What is this? Looks like an El Camino of some sort. It's a nice matte finish on this one. Oh man, this is very cool. Wow. I'm not quite sure what to say about this one. It's a very kind of a dark ride, but it's got insane details. And I'm gonna have to take a look at the name of it. But take a look. Take a nice look at this El Camino. Beautiful. What is it? A 71? Oh, it doesn't say. It just says El Camino right there. I believe it's a 71 if I look on the packaging. Yeah, it's a 70. It's a 71. Yep. All right. All right, let's start off with those wheels. Deep dish 8-spoke wheels with a red stripe and a matte finish all over it. Very cool. Gray interior. And look at the engine. It's a big blown engine. I'm going to take a look at the back first. Look at that chrome bumper. That is super cool. Look at that. The yellow golden tempo right there. And look at the details. That is insane. That is amazing. Wow. Almost looks like a car from a movie or something. I want to say it's from a movie, but it's probably not. Don't know how this made into the Legends Championship, but whatever. I'll take it. I will definitely take it. Look at the front. Look at that. Holy cow. And is it... What? Are both lights supposed to be painted or something? I'm actually not entirely sure about that. But there's a Hot Wheels license plate right there. I'm not sure if it's designed to be like that or not, because I'd imagine that both of these headlights would be on the same tampo rack, or stamp, or whatever. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. But it's a black license plate with Hot Wheels on it. It's a very nice 5-pack indeed. Very cool. 71 El Camino. Great spinning wheels. The cars made in Indonesia usually have great spinning wheels. Alright, what is this? A 2013 Chevy Camaro Hot Wheels Special Edition. I don't know the exact wording on the name. I do have a couple different colors of it. Like, this came out of the first editions, I believe. And it is a legendary car. It is a special car. A 2013 Camaro. This one came out in 2015. This is the newest color in the 2022 5-pack. Let's take a look. Let's take a nice look. It's got red line 5-spoke, Phil Redmond 5 spokes, and a matte finish line. Looks like there's a little paint bleeding on there. But it's a matte finish line on a metal flake gloss blue color. That is beautiful. That is gorgeous. It says Camaro right there. And this is a beautiful muscle car. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And there is the grill, the custom Camaro grill. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I'm loving the stripe, how it's like a completely different color scheme. And Camaro on the side. Very cool. Very cool. And black interior. I think it is a black interior. There's the back. Quad exhaust. plastic base. Thank you for watching. This was Sam's Diecast Showroom on the 2022 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. Which one was your favorite out of this set? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I think it would probably be this Deora or this Camaro. That El Camino and this Jet Z follow right behind, and not too big on this Loop Coupe, but they're all still very cool, and since the day this pack came out, I was excited to get it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.